How to integrate Monday.com and Shopify. Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link or integrate your Shopify store with Monday.com. This is a very useful setup if you want all your business information to stay organized in one place. By connecting Shopify to Monday.com, you can manage your tasks, track your customers, monitor your products, and even follow your team's activities all inside one clean dashboard. First, head over to Monday.com and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to your Profile or Account section. There you will find the option to explore the app marketplace. Click on the marketplace to open all available integrations. Inside the marketplace, go to the search bar and type Shopify. You will see the Shopify integration appear. Click on it and you will notice that it is a third-party app, not a built-in Monday.com tool, but it works perfectly fine. Go ahead and install it. After installation, you will be able to set up different automation rules. For example, you can sync new Shopify orders directly into a Monday board, sync product information, track customer details, or update columns whenever something changes in your Shopify store. This helps you keep everything updated automatically without doing things manually. Once everything is connected, your boards will stay in sync with your Shopify data, and you can customize your workflow however you want. It helps you stay organized, track your performance, and manage your business with more clarity. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next one.